Okay students, your second assignment paper is of word problems and some short questions. Clear? Whatever the notes or whatever I have taught you is based on that. Now when you solve any word problems, one thing always remember, you have to read the statement very carefully. Clear? Now you know when we are means applying addition, when we are doing for subtraction, multiplication and division. Addition means when there will be more, you have to find out anything more, then it will be addition. Subtraction means less. Clear or not? Multiplication also more, but how many times it is more. Clear? And division also less. It is sharing. Division means it is sharing. So here these are some very simple easy word problems I have given you, which all you can do by yourself. But one thing always remember, when you solve any word problems, statement must be there. No need to write too big statement, but whatever you will write, it should be meaningful. Clear or not? Understood? So here total I have given 10 word problems are there, which all are very easy, and make the statement by yourself. Question number 6 is HOTS question. That means you have to think a mobile number consists of 10 digits. I think I gave you earlier also, again I have given. So all of you are using mobile right now, all of you are busy with the mobile because there is no other option. So you know in mobile there are 10 digits. So out of there 4 digits are given to you, 9979, and rest 5 digits are there. You have to form smallest mobile number by using only one digit twice, 2 times. Any one digit you can repeat twice, 2 times from the digit. Now always remember, when you form the smallest number, which is the smallest digit, that one you will repeat. Got it? Next, rest all are there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These all are very easy word problems. Read the questions repeatedly. You will be able to understand. Now, if you don't read the question and if you depends on your parents or if you depends on your teachers, then you will never learn how to form the statement. You have to understand by yourself. I told you the basic thing. Addition means what? Subtraction when you have to do, multiplication when you have to do, division when you have to do. Got it? So here 10 word problems are there. Next, some short questions are there. Which one you will be able to do, I think. Clear? Whatever you have learned already, it is based on that only. So before doing the short question or solving the assignment, go through once in your textbook, and whatever the notes I have given, go through that. Clear or not? So solve all these 2 assignments. Clear? Next day, in the next class, I will start with the new chapter. Clear? And students of class 6, all of you are new. So for each subject, for each part, you have to make separate copy. Mind it. For arithmetic separate, geometry separate, for science also, physics, chemistry, biology separate copies. So you have to maintain the separate copies. Got it? And books, again I repeat, books exercise questions no need to solve in the classwork copy for arithmetic. Whatever the assignments I am giving you, if you do that only, then book sums automatically you will be able to do. All those you practice at home as a practice work. Clear students? Thank you.